Hello everyone! Ayan. Andito ako sa labas ng bahay and I'm so glad that the sun is out there. Look. So, nagpapaano lang, bilad ng konti dito. Kasi it's been 3 days na yung weather dito sa Belgium is very gloomy. At yung mood mo is nagiging gloomy din. Kaya ayan, finally, I'm just so happy that the sun is out today. And since the sun makes me feel alive today, so I'd like to share you, or I'd like to do unboxing today. So stay with me and watch me as I do unboxing of this cheap finds from the shop here in Belgium, which is Action. So I found this one from Action and I'd like to try it. So para ma-enhance naman yung aking vlogging thing. Wait, I'm going to set it up here. Ayan. So it's this one. I'd like to unbox it with you. This is the first time that I am trying this. Ayan. It has the light settings, multiple light settings pala. And then compatible with most smartphones. Ayan. Has secure metallic structure and effortless streaming. So we will see if it's really worth it. Kailangan ko pa palang i-install. How it looks inside the box. So it's very heavy. So you can see it's durable. So USB pala siya. Look. The instructions are here. And I think I'm gonna need Crazy Bob to do the assembling. to buy a separate microphone para dito. Akala ko may microphone na. It's not included pala. Ah, see, I just saw it now. It says microphone not included. Kaya ayun. Di kasi nagbabasa. But anyway, I'm happy with this. So let's try the light. Assuming this is the phone, the video recorder. Switch it like that. So as I am recording there, I'm also doing a record here. I think that's it. And then I'm going to switch on the colors. To remove my eyeglass kasi nagre-reflect yung light. Yeah. So how is it? And then we check the different colors. So now this is a different color. It's like the warm yellow, warm white. And then it's a combination of the white and warm. And then this one, it's like the LED color, LED light. Ang ganda siya siya. Pinapaganda lalo yung skin texture. So I think this is my favorite now. It's the warm white. So there's 3 different colors of light. So it's this one, like the normal LED color, LED light color. And then this one, the warm. And then here, it's a combination of the 2. So I guess that's it. I'm just happy with my happy find, and I bought this at the Action Shop for only 12 euro, I think. Yeah, it's around 12 euros. So, ayan. Microphone na lang ang hahanapin ko. So, thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone.